Have you seen that video that looks like a CNN report with the CNN logo, Anderson Cooper, and even Dr. Sanjay Gupta talking about a honey recipe that can reverse Alzheimer's? Some of them even claim Bruce Willis is using it. It sounds dramatic, but let's break it down. The ad says Dr. Gupta discovered a rare honey in the Himalayas called cider honey. They say it's collected by local beekeepers climbing cliffs, made from bees that feed on a sacred lotus flower, and that local legends call it a cure that cleanses the blood of poisons. According to the story, Dr. Gupta first gave it to his father in warm water, and within weeks his father was alert again. It goes further. They claim that this honey, mixed with a plant called Bacopa monnieri, what they call the Ganesha plant, can flush toxins from the brain and rebuild memory. They say it reverses Alzheimer's in weeks, works better than any drug, and that over 16,000 people, including celebrities, have had their memories restored. And of course, they say Big Pharma tried to bury the formula because they couldn't profit from it. But here's the catch. The video drags on with backstories, emotional family moments, and warnings that this video might be taken down. They promise to reveal the recipe but instead lead you to a supplement they're selling, sometimes called Memo Master, Mind Guard, or Memo Clarity. The so-called recipe is just honey and Bacopa, which they claim to have put into capsules for maximum absorption. The biggest problem? These ads fake endorsements. They use AI-generated videos or clipped interviews to make it look like Dr. Gupta or other respected doctors are supporting them. In reality, none of these doctors have ever endorsed a honey cure for memory loss, and Dr. Sanjay Gupta himself has publicly denied being involved. The truth is, there is no quick fix. Alzheimer's and memory loss are complex conditions caused by genetics, aging, or medical issues. No honey, herb, or capsule can reverse it in days. These ads use fear, urgency, and fake authority to sell unproven supplements. If you or someone you love is struggling with memory problems, the best step is to see a qualified doctor, not trust an internet ad with miracle claims. Because when it comes to your health, the safest path is the real one, not a fake honey trick.